Okay, so a while ago I did a video on building a mains RFI filter. It's the GM3 SEK design. That video was quite wildly successful for some reason. I listed in that video all of the component parts that you would need, all the various ferrites. Yes, I did actually mean ferrites, the brand name, not generic ferrite. The only reason is that you get differing results if you use different cores. So I give you the specific part number of the ferrite cores that I used, plus the actual main filter itself, the box, and all of those things. Anyway, I listed all of those individually. I got a lot of comments from people often questioning whether I'd listed the right parts, and yes, I did. The issue was that the suppliers used generic pictures that looked nothing like what you were going to actually get if you ordered that particular part number. Anyway, that's all by the by. I noticed the other day on eBay, I was scrolling through looking for some other stuff, and Radio Stuff have actually put together a complete kit for that GM3 SEK filter. That includes the 2 oval cores, the large ferrite, the filter, the Schaffner filter, the glands, the box, the wires, everything else. The only thing that they don't supply is the actual gang extension socket and the spade terminals. That's the only other thing that they don't supply. So it's a complete kit. If you want to build this kit, you can order that. If you are going to build this kit, I do strongly recommend, and I said this in the other video, and I'll link the video up here for you somewhere. I did recommend, make sure that you actually need an RFI filter, mains filter. And the only way you're going to know that is if you turn off the power for the house at the supply, go to the circuit breakers, switch everything off, switch the main power breaker off, and run your radio on battery. If you notice a difference in the noise floor, yes, give the filter a try. If you don't notice a difference, then your noise is coming from outside. The filter's not going to work. It's specifically designed for mains-born RFI. Anyway, Radio Stuff, they do a complete kit. I've left a link in the description. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just think it's a really good thing. It just saves a lot of hassle. I think for what you probably pay extra, you're probably paying the same in postage by ordering individual parts from different companies. So, well, there's the kit if you want to give it a try. I've left a link in the description. Don't forget you can support the channel, become a channel member, buy me a coffee, or just leave a comment and a like and maybe a subscription to the actual channel itself. Anyway, that's it from me. I just thought I'd point that out. It's only a quick video. See you all later. See you in the next video where we review this, the Heil PR40. Bye-bye.